The leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, on Monday questioned the jurisdiction of his alleged terrorism case when he reappeared before Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court for the resumed hearing of his protracted case. Despite Kanu's insistence that Justice Nyako has no jurisdiction over his case, the judge adjourned the matter indefinitely. Kanu was brought into Nigeria in June 2021 and has since been detained and tried for alleged treason. His trial was stalled after Justice Nyako recused himself from the case following an oral application by the defendant on September 24, 2024. The IPOB leader had directly told the judge that he no longer had confidence in the handling of his trial. However, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, John Soho, reverted the file to Nyako on the ground that Kanu's application must be brought formally before the court through a motion on notice. Addressing the court, a furious Kanu questioned why he was brought before Justice Nyako. He said that all that the judge said was meaningless to him. He said he does not recognize the authority of the court presided by Justice Nyako over him. The IPOB leader said he was only in court because of the respect he has for the rule of law, adding that the judge had previously recused herself from the case.
There's no way this case could have gone on anywhere, because in the first place, the court had lost jurisdiction to sit over this case since September last year. So we came here today on a limited appearance. We appeared under protest out of utmost respect for the judge and for the court, to listen to the court as to the reasons why we were invited before the same court that was recused in September last year. Nigerian public needs to understand the nature of a recusal. A recusal comes as a court order, and even non-lawyers are aware that once an order of court is made, the only way you can set it aside is to take it on appeal. Nobody appealed this order. The order is extant and subsisting, is still valid, and we were invited today to be informed about some memo from the Chief Judge that we don't even have a copy of the memo. So our submission on the record is that the court stands recused until that order is set aside.
The prosecution counsel took an objection to Kanu's remarks and asked for a definite date for hearing, since the prosecution has refused to file a written application. Awomolo said it was not right for Kanu to insult the court. Despite Kanu's objection, Justice Nyako adjourned his case indefinitely.